How to make money on Freelancer in 2021. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on freelancer.com as a complete beginner. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into freelancer.com. Freelancer.com. So guys, when you come on to freelancer.com, over here you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here in this dashboard, you can basically see their main page. So over here you can see that you can hire the best freelancers for any job, and they deal in almost all sorts of categories and stuff like that. Now scrolling down, you can see how much money you can make working as a freelancer. So working as a freelancer, you can make approximately $30 per day by doing simple logo design. You can make approximately $280 in just 4 days by doing package design. You can make $600 in 4 days by doing mobile design, and also you can make $45 per day using WordPress. And then also, like, they have so many more things, so many more options, and so many more skills available that you can basically earn money through, that honestly it is insane. Now over here they basically have a summary of all the different categories they offer. They offer HTML, logistics, mobile applications, Android applications, iPhones, graphics design, and so much more. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply scroll up, and then I want you to click on earn money freelancing. Now once you click on there, it is going to take you over to another page. Now guys, once you go over on that page, you will see your sign up page in front of you. So over here, once this loads up, you can either sign up with a brand new email address, or you can join with Facebook right now. So I'm simply gonna join as a freelancer. I'm gonna put my email over here and my password over here, and then after that I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you've signed in successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here in this dashboard, you basically have all your information right in front of you, basically all your notifications, all your payments, and everything that a freelancer could possibly need. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to click on browse from the top, and then choose how you want to go about it. So if you want to hire someone, click on freelancers. If you want to get projects by yourself, click on projects. Now once you click on projects, after that wait for a couple of seconds, and now from over here you can simply just browse a ton of projects. So guys, like over here what you are seeing are basically projects that are available for you to just simply grab and start creating, and then simply receive your payment after that. So this project over here is going to pay you $750 upwards to $1,500. Similarly, this project is going to pay you $30 to $250, and like we even have a project paying us $15 to $25 as well. So guys, like that is a lot of money, and that is how much money you can make from just 1 gig alone. Now from the left side you can see the listing type. You can categorize, filter out different things, and then simply choose the projects that you want to do. Over here you can even specify the minimum price, the maximum price, and the minimum hourly rate or the maximum hourly rate that you want for yourself. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to type in the search bar over here logo design. So once I type in logo design, I can essentially see 2 gigs that are present in logo design right now. We have a person paying us 1,000 in Indian rupees, and almost 1,200 Indian rupees for just 1 hour of work. Guys, that is not a lot of money, but still guys, that is better than nothing. And as a freelancer, you have to take some gigs on to basically build your profile. And then after that, if I were to type in over here intro, so if I type in intro, I'm gonna have people basically asking and willing to pay quite a lot of money for just designing a basic stuff. So guys, what you can do is that you can simply design an intro for this person using this awesome tool called Motion Den. Now what that does is that it lets you create intros and outros in 3D motion, and it literally takes 3 minutes and not more than that. Then we have a person who wants basically a free fire ad video, and then we have more people who basically need more work done. So guys, that is how you can essentially get started by simply picking up small gigs and then eventually building on top of them. Now guys, let's say that you can do logo design. So if I were to type in logo design, I can see all the gigs in logo design. Now if I were to just remove the design element, now I can see a lot of gigs over here for just logos. So guys, people are willing to pay top dollar for just basic stuff, and you can take full advantage of that and make a good use of that. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to just simply pick any gig. Now let's say you want to design logos. Guys, I'm going to be giving you tools that you can use to actually make logos, make videos, and all that for absolutely free, and then basically kickstart your freelancer journey. So For the sake of knowledge, choose any gig over here. And now I'm gonna show you how you can bid on a project and how you can secure that project. So when you come on to a gig, from the right side, basically take a look at this section. If the client has any reviews, well, then they basically show you if the client is a good person or not. But if the client doesn't have any reviews, well, then you can just simply like bid and see for yourself how good the client is, basically like the way he talks and stuff. So from over here, scroll down, and then basically bid an amount that is basically like 70% of what the range of this person is. Now his range is basically 10 euros to 35 euros, so you can bid something like 22 euros over here. And then you can even specify how long the project will take, and then simply write out a proposal saying that, hi, I can do your project. I have a great tool that can give you multiple variations of the same logo, and then ask them if they have any questions for you. And then at the end, simply type in best regards and then your name. That is a really good proposal and it always works. So after that, you can even suggest milestones if you want to break up the project into multiple pieces. And then you can even sponsor your bid for $5. You can seal your bid for $0.1, and you can even highlight your gig for $1 as well. And then after that, simply place your bid, even if you don't want to do any of these. So after that, your proposal is going to be submitted to that client, and they will reach out to you in your inbox over here if they see you fit. So guys, simply back up now, and now I'm going to show you the two tools that you can essentially use to get started. Tool number one is hatchful.shopify.com. Now guys, this amazing tool is gonna let you design hundreds of logos from different templates, and you can even design a lot of cool logos using their tool as well. So over here we can see some examples of their particular logos that their tool has created, and then we have even more options over here as well, and then we even have some more reviews as well. So guys, this was basically tool number one, and now we have tool number two. Tool number two is basically motionden.com, and motionden.com is gonna let you create catchy intros, catchy outros, like 3D animations, all by just a click of a button. Guys, it is that simple. You can just simply modify the text, change everything, and then after that, put your text here, change everything like that, add images, add whatever you want, and then simply send that out over to your client on Freelancer. And then after that, simply start to work a lot more as well on your skills and stuff, because guys, honestly, the more skills you have, the better you can survive in the world of freelancing, and the lower the skills you have, the harder it's gonna be for you guys. So guys, that is basically how you can make money on Freelancer. There are also ways that you can make money as well in passive income, and that are basically through their referral programs. So simply click on your profile picture and click on invite friends. After that, from over here, simply invite your friends via email. Now if you do this, and when they sign up, you will get a commission for your life in the form of passive income into your account. But the thing that I prefer is basically to just copy this link, your refer link, and then once you come onto youtube.com, type in how to make money as a freelancer, and then after that, simply download any one of these videos and then simply re-upload them as your own. And then in the description, simply tell them that if you want to sign up, simply use the link in the description below. And when millions of people watch your video and they click on your link, well guys, that is going to be a lot of money coming into your account in the form of commissions throughout your life. So guys, that is how it works, and that is how you can make money using Freelancer in passive income right now, right after watching this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.